Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn how to create a search box in Excel simply just with simple Excel formulas. So you can see here I have some sample data. This is a sample data. It could be in your hundreds or thousand rows as well. If you have a large data set, so the search box will be a very better option for you. Uh, Most Excel users rely on the filter feature to find out the data. For example, we have this data and I want to find out all the data of city Noida. So for that, most users use filter feature. They use filter, go to the city column, use filter this and filter the Noida. But in this case, now if I want to find out all the sales department data, so first of all, I have to remove this column, this filter, then have to go on the other column, have to use next filter, and now I'm getting this. After that, again, if I want to change it, so I have to remove the filter and put it again. But by the search feature, search box, you can do it in a simple way. You can use single cell. Let me show you. Here, I have already created this. So you can see here I have search box. This is just for heading, and this cell is used for search criteria. Here I am using this cell, and here we are getting the result. So if I want to find out Rahul, so you can see I have put Rahul here and I am getting the data of all the Rahuls who are available in our data. Now this is finding out the data from employee name own self. Now if I want to find out all the sales employees, so I just have to write sales here, and you can see we have all the sales employees irrespective of depending on a single column. It is picking the data from all the columns and giving me the related data here. In this way I can filter data either from a column, b, c, d, e, and f. So like if I want to see active, I am getting the list of all the active employees. If I want to see Noida, here is the list of all the Noida employees. And the best feature of this search box is we don't have to fill the complete name. In case we don't remember the complete word, complete name, we can use partial word also. Like if I don't know it is Rahul or Ravina or something, so I can use only RA. I know I want to find out all the names or all the data wherever I have RA. So you can see here I have all the data wherever we have RA. So in Rahul, here Simran, here Arora, Rahul, Malhotra, Rahul. So it is not only searching RA in employee name, but even in all the columns. Even if it find RA in department, city, status, any column, it will give me in this fast data. So means it works with parcel words also. And how we can create it? Let me show you the formula. It is a very simple formula, just combination of some simple Excel formula. So you can see here we have used if, filter, is number, and search. These are the combination of four formulas. With the help of these, we are creating this search box. So let's explore this formula. First of all, here we have if. So in if, it is saying that if H3 is blank. In case H3 is blank, so we are getting the complete data from A2 to F21. But if H3 is not blank, so I am putting it Rahul. So you can see we are getting only that data where we have Rahul. So it is working with filter. It is filtering again the same data, but with condition is number and search. So our heart of the formula is search. So in search, you can see we are searching H3. Whatever is in H3, we are searching it in A column. And I just combine this formula with ampersand and space. I will explain why we are using space. We can use it without space also, but it will make some mismatches in our data. So we have to use this space. I will explain it now after this. So first of all, understand this. We are searching data of H3 in A column. our data of A column, then B column, C column, D column, E column, F column. I have combined these all. If H3 is available in any of these columns, then it will give us, we are getting it with is number. Is it available or not? If it is available, so we will get a true or false with is number function. And if it is true, then it will filter that data. Filter only those rows where we that condition is true. Means our data of H3 is available in that particular row. If it is not available in any row, then we will get no record found. So let's explore this also. As I told you, we can use this function without space also, but it will make some errors. So you can see currently I have used this formula inside of search. This is creating a complete data of all the columns in a single cell. So I am joining the complete data in a single cell. You can see here we are getting E101 is employee ID, then space, then name, then space, then department, then space, then Delhi. So it is combining the data of all the columns of a particular row. And then we are searching data in this value, whatever data is H3, we are searching it in this value. And if we will not use space, so what will happen? See, if I am not using space, our searching data will be like this. Without space, it is becoming E101 Amit Sharma's sales. So in case I am writing my searching word is MAS. If I am not using space, so you can see it will be found in this cell. And same, if I am using my formula without space, I have replaced this one without space. So you can see I am getting these two results because MAS is found as MAS, MA from Sharma and S from sales. That's why it is giving me this result. But if I am using with space, so it will keep Sharma separate and sales separate. So I am doing it undo and you can see with space, it is not giving me wrong result. So this is the reason of using the space in this formula. I hope this is useful information for you and you have learned a useful function of search box. If it is useful for you, please like and subscribe my channel and you can leave your comments. If there is any next topic to cover, you can leave it in comment, and if you have any question regarding this, you can leave that also in comment. Thank you for watching.